Pag bagong taon, marami tayong ina-update. ID, mga sheets na gamit sa work. Yung iba nag-update ng gamit pero tayo mag-update ng listahan. Tingnan natin sa simula ng 2024, ano nga ba ang choices nyo kung naghahanap kayo ng sasakyan on a limited budget. I'm your host Stanley Chi, ang inyong senpai ng turbuhan, and this is the top list of cars under 1 million pesos. Alam nyo ng kalakaran dito, like, subscribe, share, mag-comment, i-follow rin ako. Kotse ba? Feel kotse na. Una sa listahan ang budget segment breaker na sedan, the Changan Alsvin, starting at 654,000 pesos for the manual at 743,000 pesos for the dual clutch transmission or DCT. The Alsvin is loaded with great features. Meron itong touchscreen, sunroof, rear camera at tire pressure monitoring pa. Chery is making news lately dahil sa pagdadala ng electrified offerings dito sa atin. Pero kung akala nyo all premium na sila, meron pa rin silang choices for the budget conscious. They have the Tigo 2 Pro and the Tigo 5X Pro, mild hybrid na parehong crossover. Third in the list is Chevrolet's Pocket Rocket. The Chevrolet Spark is a small hatchback loaded with a 1.4-liter engine. Isipin mo, Wigo, nilagyan ng makina ng Vios. So kung naghahanap kayo ng exciting daily drive, ito na ang para sa inyo. Ang GAC naman nakapagsingit pa ng isang maangas na crossover. The base model GS3 M Zoom is priced at 998,000 pesos at kahit na ganito, meron ka pa ring touchscreen with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, cruise control, rear parking sensors, and tire pressure monitoring system. Ang Geely naman, dalawang contenders under a million. Kung gusto mo ng sedan, meron kang Geely M Grand that's too big for its price. Kung sa crossover naman, huwag mag-alala dahil merong GX3 Pro that's also equipped with tech goodies para hindi ka naman feeling left out kahit in a budget ka. If you're looking for something bigger, Great Wall Motors might be the place for you. For under a million, pwede ka pang makakuha ng base models ng Great Wall Motors or GWM Cannon pickup truck and the GWM Haval Jolayo na crossover. Ang Honda naman, for sure alam nyo nang may offers for this range. Nandyan ang full range ng Honda Brio and the base and mid-trim of the Honda City. Maganda ang placing ng Jetour sa market dahil napasama pa sila sa list na ito thanks to their small EV. The Jetour Ice Cream Battery Electric Vehicle is well under a million at ang cute-cute nito. Para ako lang. Ang Kia naman, dalawa na lang ang offering in this range. They have the Kia Stonic na nasa website pa rin nila and ang Kia Soluto. So I guess kahit na wala nang masyadong update, ongoing pa rin ang small sedan na yon. Ang MG naman ay kilala in this price point thanks to their crossover, the MG ZS. Meron ding MG5 para dun sa mga may gusto ng sedan. Sayang, hindi umabot dito ang MG GT dahil sumobra ng 1 million pesos. As for Mitsubishi, 1 or 2 na lang ang offering nila dito. 1 dahil Mirage lang, 2 dahil dalawang version nito, the Mirage Hatchback and the Mirage G4 sedan na mas updated. Speaking of sedans, maganda ang offering ng Nissan dito. They have the base model Nissan Almera that still has the 1-liter turbo engine as the higher models. Meron ding push start button, automatic climate control, and Nissan Connect services. Hailed as the small car expert, dapat maging budget expert na rin ang Suzuki dahil sa dami ng offerings nila under a million pesos. There's the Suzuki Celerio small hatchback, Ertiga MPV na may mild hybrid din, Espresso entry-level hatchback, Swift na isa pang hatchback at baka dumating ang newest version nito this year. Baka dapat hatchback expert na lang pala, no? Pero kung may 4 ang Suzuki, syempre, tatapatan niya ng Toyota. They have the Toyota Avanza MPV, Toyota Race crossover, Toyota Vios sedan, and the entry-level Toyota Wigo hatchback. Last, we have the Volkswagen Santana na kahit under a million, mukhang over a million ang exterior appeal dahil sa classy look nito. That's it for this top list of cars you can buy for under 1 million pesos. So kung may gusto kayong malaman or suggested topic, i-comment nyo lang sa baba. I'm your host Stanley Chi, ang inyong senpai ng turbuhan na nagpapaalala sa inyong lahat na i-follow ako sa mga social media accounts ko. Kumpleto ko niyan. Instagram, Facebook, TikTok, may sarili akong YouTube channel, youtube.com/StanleyChi at hanapin nyo rin yung Suplado Motors. Alam na, mag-subscribe rin kayo ron. Makinig sa aking podcast, Underpaid with Stanley Chi sa Spotify and Apple Podcast. So paano ba yan? Kita-kits tayo sa next video, dito lang sa Phil Kotse. Bye-bye! Thanks for watching! For the latest news, reviews, and anything you want to know about cars and car ownership, visit philcoche.com. Follow us on YouTube, Facebook, Instagram, and Spotify para hindi ka huli sa usapan. Tandaan, kotse ba? Philcoche na!